Welcome! In front of me I have Polar Pacer Pro and I'm gonna show you how to change the watch face on this watch. First we need to open the menu on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the back button. Once the menu opens, you can use the up and down buttons to scroll through the menu. Select the settings icon and then press the middle button to enter. Here, scroll down, find the watch face option and select it, and then press the middle button. And right here we can select the type of watch face. We have digital and analog. Select the one you like, and then press the middle button, and then we can select the watch style. So basically the style of the watch face, we have a couple of them. Find the one you like to use, and then press the middle button, and finally select the color theme. And once you're done, you can go back to watch face to see the changes. And that's how you change the watch face on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.